Spider, Camry Spider. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find your junction box. You see this car? This car is the junction box issue. So I have to drop the dashboard down to trace the fault. Here's the dashboard. So here is the location of the junction box. Do you see that? This is the main location for junction box in the all Spider Camry. Here is the location. You see that? This one. So that is the location. So this thing I have to replace it because it's faulty. It got burnt. So here is a new one like this. Okay. So that is it for now, guys.